Hey guys, Plushcraft Studios here, and today, I only have a couple weeks left with these cute little kittens that we saw a couple months back, so just gonna film some memories here. See, this is the first time Chloe, the mother, is actually playing with her kids. Look at them go! They're so cute together. Oh, and there's a Beanie in the background. Oh, and there goes TV. Oh my! Oh! Oh, look at them go! Oh, and there comes Bonnie. Oh, Chloe, do something cute. Come on, girl, do something cute. Oh, at least your kids actually listen. Oh, hey, Beanie. And well, there you go. Flying right next to the tractor. If you know, that's what we're on. Oh, look at them go. Look at them go. What's little Tom Hanks doing? And for anyone who watches a certain half-asleep Chris, you'll know why I named him that. Rest in peace, original Tom Hanks. Oh, there they go. There they. Oh, how cute. How cute. That is adorable. Mother and daughter playing. This is her first time playing with her kittens. They look so cute. Bonnie, what are you doing over there? What are you doing over there? Oh, look at him. Here you babe. Oh, and there goes TV. What are you doing, TV? Oh, look at her go. Look at them go. Playing with mommy. Oh, what's wrong, old Tom Hanks? What's wrong? Oh my goodness. They're absolute savages when they play. What are you gonna do, Tom Hanks? What are you gonna do? Oh, there goes Chloe. Chloe, what are you doing by my track? What are you doing by my track, girl? What are you doing? Oh, wait, is that Tom Hanks or Bonnie? Can't really tell. I believe that is Bonnie. Maybe. I'm not entirely sure. Oh my goodness, it's so windy out. It's starting to wane a bit. Get out of here, chicken. This isn't your type of video. This is the kitty cats. Everyone loves cats. TV. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Chloe, what are you... Oh, the fight of the century. Fight of the century. Oh. Pure cute gold. We have struck bedrock, people. Wait, no, we struck netherite of cuteness. Look at them go. You're so adorable. Look at them go. Oh God. Oh God, they went over to the barn. Look at them go. What are they doing over there? Oh. Beanie. What are you doing, Beanie? What is she doing? Oh, savages. Absolute savages. What are you doing, little Tom Hanks? What are you doing? Look at them go. What's Chloe up to? Scheming, no doubt. Sneaking. You know, sneaky. Let's get a ground view of these kitties. Oh man, here they are. What is this chicken doing here? What are these two chicken doing here? This isn't a video for them. It's a video for my little kitty cats. Chloe, I have so many questions. Hey, Bonnie. Oh, I believe I know what she's starting to do. Tom Hanks. Hey, Tom Hanks, how you doing? Where have you been? Oh, there he goes. There he goes. What is he doing? He knows something's sitting there. Perhaps a little creature in the darkness. Stalking him. Look at them. It's Beanie. What is she up to? Oh! What happened? Where's Beanie? Oh! What the? Tom! Tom! Oh my goodness! Savages! Absolute savages, I tell you. Wait, what the? Chloe Kitty, what are you doing in there? What are you kids doing? Oh my goodness. You're in the twig pile now? What are they doing in the twigs? Kids! What are you doing in the twigs? What are you doing in the twigs? What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, he's been all cute and all. But, hey, look, there's Scout. Scout Pooh. What are you up to? We have 7 dogs. Can you believe it? 7 dogs. And she's the only outside one. Defending the goat herd. What are you up to, TV? Oh. What is she up to? She's been all nice now, but I think it's about time I introduce you to the little kitty cats. My great-grand kittens. Mabel. Will you let us pass? As daughter of Chloe. Oh, here they are. Never mind. Hey there, fellas. What's going on? Yeah, they're gonna turn 5 weeks old tomorrow. So, yeah, that's gonna be special. This is the mother Mabel. Hey, little Crescent, how you doing? And you can see why I named her Crescent, because of the white spot on her tail. Oh. Yeah, these all Miss Kitty Cats. They're all girls. It's girls' party up here. You know, I'm sure you remember her from last year. Any OG fans out there, I'm sure you remember her. Mabel. One of the twins. Yeah, they were cute. Mabel, what are you doing? Taking care of the kid. What are you doing there, Crescent? Go! Go to mom. Yeah, they are not pickup kittens. They're not like to pick up. Oh, so cute. What are you doing with mommy's tail? What are you doing? And of course, let's not forget about the loneliest cat here, but surprisingly the friendliest. And here we have Bandit, the friendliest kitty here. She may look all feral and all, but she is the most compatible cat you can ever have. She just loves to be pet. Watch. Yeah. Yeah. Loves everyone that much. Yeah. Look at her. So cute. She's soft, too. She's got little mitten paws. Oh, so sweet. And as of now, she's the only black and white kitty here. How crazy is that? So crazy! Well, I guess that's just wrapping up here, guys. Make sure you subscribe, click the notification bell, smash the like button, and don't worry. Plush Rap Studios Creators Collide will be coming out July 22nd, 2020. So set your calendar and alarm stuff to that date. And to any fans out there who know me too well, you'll know what this means. You'll know why I'm releasing it specifically on the 22nd of July. So yeah. But Bandit, say bye to Bandit. Come on, Bandit. Bandit, say hi. Say bye to the fan. Oh, I guess she doesn't. Well, I guess that's it for the video, guys. Bye-bye.